Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Sean, and today I'll be doing an unboxing from Displate, the world's leading marketplace in metal posters. This isn't a sponsored video, however I have been working with Displate for a while now, and I do have a selection of my work available on their site, so I thought it was only fair that I purchased one of my own artworks from the company and make this video. I'll leave the link in the description to my shop so you can check it out. So delivery took about 9 days, the box is well packaged, and I decided to order Kingfisher, a painting that I made 2 years ago that flew off to a new home. Displate gives you framing options, different sizes, and a choice of matte or a glossy finish. I chose the matte option, and I've got to tell you, I am really impressed. The colours are really vivid and the print quality seems really great. The pack contains a cleaning wipe for the mounted area, an instruction manual, a wall sticker, and a bendy magnet for the metal plate to be placed onto. A small brochure is included, giving you information on the company, including their philosophy and product info. They also gave me some stickers and a discount for my next purchase. They also state that they are environmentally friendly. Very friendly in fact, with over 14 million trees planted, meaning that they plant a tree for every print sale. Okay, let's get this bad boy up on the wall. Yeah, that was really simple to put up. Overall, I'm really impressed with the products. I love this modern idea of simple installation, and I especially love what the company stands for when it comes to our environments. I hope this video was useful, and if you've purchased a Displate, I'd love to know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and punch that little bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.